tree. I told you that there was one here, you guys. But when did all of you find...
Oh, what a shame people left their garbage here. We've known this tree for years, right, darling? Look what they've done to it.
We got so upset as well and decided to clean the garbage, Mommy.
Bravo, my tiny scouts. There are garbage bags in the van. Let's put every bit of trash in them.
I'll bring the bags, Daddy.
Well, it looks like it's cleaning time.
I wish all the places were clean. Wish our world would be clean. How great that would be. We shouldn't make our world dirty. Forests, animals, seas, people. They are so beautiful. Just imagine living in a fresh, clean world together. How nice is life together when our earth is clean? The flowers are lovely on the trees and the birds too. All we want is the whole world to be happy and clean. We should never make our beautiful world dirty again.
Look how much garbage we picked up.
Maybe I'm not good at cakes and cookies, but my
Do not leave
handwriting
garbage
is
here,
nice.
forest residents.
And we, the scouts, protected the old walnut tree, the squirrels, and the forest. Then, something wonderful happened yesterday morning. Maybe it'll happen again and you'll see it too.
What is that there, sis?
Be quiet, Mutlu. Look,